Hello and welcome to this short tutorial video from Production Assist. In this video, we want to show you how to design and print labels for devices with Production Assist. Some apparatuses have already been installed onto this small ground support. We now want to label them. The scene tree next to it represents the structure hierarchically. Here you can also see the par spotlights that have been installed on it. First, open the Resource Manager in Windows and select the Print Label tab. In the Edit mode, Object Properties, here to the left, the sheet and the fields can be formatted. Upon creating and applying labels, the default setting ensures that the right elements and fixtures are incorporated in their intended places at the venue. Production Assist offers this tool to automate the process and also to read out all information about each element such as code, size, weight, DMX address and color. To filter through all the objects, for example, activate Has Fixture to print only objects that are fixtures. Under the main button New Object, at Print Label field, text fields can be added, which represent the individual values or properties of the objects on the labels. These fields can be colored and resized. First and foremost, we choose the property name. Like this one here, for example, which is listed with the object ID. All IDs that we have assigned in the drawing are then accessed. The text can then be placed where you want it, left, right, centered. Likewise, you can choose the field length, as well as the color of the font and the color of the background. You can design everything here very simply. And you can see the resulting appearance in the template. We now proceed to rename the text boxes. You can insert the QR code here as an image. And then the fixture ID. And so, we've now set some of the important properties and information for this label. And by using Move, you can place these fields where you want and can see how everything takes shape. You can also reduce the sizes. This is possible again in this measure box. We then place the QR code with the mouse just where we want it. You can now also insert an image. I go to File, Import Image, look for a JPEG and paste that. Then go to New Object and Group, get an assembly group and click on it. Then the corresponding image appears at the bottom in Linked Graphic, Linked Image, which I then upload and scale so that I can place it there quite nicely. Another option available is drawing lines. This feature can be selected via New Object, Polygon, and I can select it as a line or as a field. Here again is a line. With the Shift key, you can hold the orthogonal direction so that it appears nicely in square or rectangular form. This layout is then applied to all labels. We now save this as a template. Go back to the drawing and, via File, Export Print Labels, get to the label and print out designs. We have several options for picking it out and determining how it should be sorted here. We already see the labels as PDFs, which appear just as they will look when finally printed. Of course, we can download them quite easily, cage them, or send them to the printer right away. Remember, labels with QR codes can be designed using the option Windows Resource Manager. Here you can find text fields, polygon QR codes, and images, and edit them. You go to File, Export, Print Labels to format the PDFs. We will be happy to answer even more questions in the next video. Thank you for your attention.